Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a highly requested one. It's about how to get rid of acne scars and marks. Today I'm going to talk about home remedies, 3 at-home remedies that help you in getting rid of acne marks and scars, and these are something that I've been doing ever since I was 15 to 19 years old. So for everyone who is suffering from the issue of acne scars and marks, this is going to be really helpful. So stay tuned. These 3 home remedies are something that you can easily find in your kitchen. The first tip is to use coffee. Now, coffee has a lot of benefits for your skin. It improves the blood circulation and when used as an exfoliator, fades away marks. All you have to do is mix 1 tablespoon of coffee and olive oil. And you can just scrub it all across your skin and use this once to twice a week. Honey is not only used to treat the scars and marks but also to get rid of the issue of acne. It is very gentle to the skin and reduces redness. It fades away any dark marks, making the skin soft. Take a Q-tip and dip it in honey and dab the product wherever you have the issue of acne scars or acne, and just leave it overnight. Now the third tip is to use lemon. Lemon has natural skin bleaching properties which helps in fading away the acne marks and scars that are left by acne. Lemon also acts as an exfoliator and I've been using this for years. It makes my skin brighter. Just take the lemon and apply it onto your face directly and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. It might give you a little bit of tingling sensation, but that is just normal. So that's it guys, today's video was all about how to get rid of acne marks and scars. Hope you liked it and enjoyed watching it. I will see you very soon. Bye.